Hi everyone, this is John from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel. As you know, Civil Center is continuously working with a vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals. In my last video, we have discussed how you can provide the reinforcement in multiple beams at a time. But when we tried to provide the reinforcement in multiple beams, which were carrying slabs over them, then we failed like this. So today we will learn how you can avoid this. So first of all, I will just remove all the reinforcement from here, and now I will go to view. In the view list, I will choose the desired view, and in this case I have 3200 over here, so I will go for plan 6400. So I have plan 6400 over here. Select my app and provide the reinforcement in these beams one by one. So providing the reinforcement in beams on the outer edges was simple using this technique. But what if you have to provide the reinforcement in the beams which are inside this roof? So for that, you can go to the bottom view, and here your beam selection will be very much easier than the top view. So I will select my beams from here. And for the final check, let's go to the bottom view again and then see whether we have provided it accurately or not. So I guess I have provided reinforcement in all my beams. So now I can click on interrupt, and then I will just close this view, and you can see in my 3D model I have reinforcement just in my beams and not in my slabs. So friends, that was all for today. If you want us to make video on any particular topic, then you can write your suggestion in the comment box, and you can also visit our Civil Center channel on YouTube so that you can find a number of videos on different softwares. So here is our playlist, you can watch it. And if you want to join our live online classes, then all you have to do is to go in the description box, and there you will find a Google form link which will redirect you to the Google form, and here you can fill your details. And if you are planning to construct your own house, then you can find the Civil Center Consultant channel. Over there you will find a number of videos through which you can learn about the plans. Till then, like this video, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.